take your LinkedIn networking to the next level by automating messages to your connections with Outboundly. Here's how you can engage more efficiently and effectively, saving time while maintaining a personal touch. First, go to your connections page on LinkedIn. To get the most timely engagement, we recommend sorting your connections by recently added. Next, open the Outboundly dashboard. It's here where the magic happens. You'll want to ensure you first set up a template mode. Why? Because templates are the most controllable, consistent, and hyper-personalized way to reach out. Not sure how to set them up? No problem. Watch our tutorial on how to set up templates on our website. Moving on, go to the Tools tab, then Automation, and select Connections. You'll be presented with options on where you want to start messaging in the list, whether it's from the beginning, continuing from where you left off, or from a specific profile. And if you're targeting someone specific, simply right-click on their avatar and copy the link to get their profile URL. Next, decide how many messages you want to send out. You can send up to 70 at a time, but to maintain a semblance of personal attention, we recommend not exceeding 120 messages per day. Now, choose if you want Outboundly to generate the messages for you. If you opt for this, you'll leverage our AI's capability to craft compelling, personalized messages. However, if you prefer to use your own wording verbatim, you can provide the message to use. In that case, you won't be charged any credits, making this process completely free to use. Finally, click Start Automation, and Outboundly will take care of the rest. Why is this powerful? Because with Outboundly, you're not just blasting out generic messages, you're sending thoughtful, personalized outreach at scale. This efficiency means you can focus on what you do best, growing your network and your business, while Outboundly handles the initial touch points. In the digital age, making genuine connections is key, and with Outboundly, you can make more of those connections meaningfully and without sacrificing your precious time. That's the power of smart automation. Outboundly, personalize at scale, connect with purpose. Visit our website to get started today.